In this lesson, we will complete the sentence by writing 1 or -1 to make it an identity, and it involves fundamental trigonometric identities. So we have here 4 identities. First is the reciprocal identities. So these are the reciprocal identities, the Pythagorean identities, the ratio identities. This is also known as quotient identities. And we have the odd-even identities. Okay, so let's have an example. Complete by writing 1 or -1 to make each sentence an identity. So number 1, sine theta, cosecant theta is equal to, is it 1 or -1? So let's go back to our identities. So we're looking for the sine function and cosecant function. Sine and cosecant, kung titingnan ko siya, mahanap ko yan dito sa reciprocal. We have the cosecant and the sine. So we will use the reciprocal identities to be exact, this one. So let's answer. We have cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. And if we're going to cross multiply, we have sine theta, cosecant theta is equal to, we all know that we have here a denominator of 1. So 1 times 1, that is 1. And if you will observe, sine theta, cosecant theta is the same as this 1. So therefore, our missing number is 1. Okay, next, number 2. Secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to blank. Is it 1 or -1? So balik tayo sa ating identities. So we're looking for tangent square theta and secant square theta. May squared siya. So, if you will observe, ang may square lang naman dito is the Pythagorean identities. So, dito ako titingin. And, nandito ang aking functions na hinahanap, yung dalawa. So, solve. So, we have 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to secant square theta. Yan. Kailangan ko ng ganitong expression. So, I will start here. Secant square theta. And I will use SPE, the subtraction property of equality. I will subtract both sides by tangent square theta. So, ibig sabihin, wala na to. And, syempre, natira si 1 dyan. So, ganyan yan. Or, you can write it also as secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1, which is the same as this one. So, the missing number is 1. Next. We have sine negative theta over sine theta is equal to blank. But, make sure sine theta should not equal to 0. So, balik tayo sa ating identities. Sine negative theta, we have the odd-even identities. So, ang sign na we have sine negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. So, if we're going to change the value of our numerator by negative sine theta over sine theta. So, sine theta divided by sine theta is equal to 1. And we have a negative sign, therefore, our answer is -1. So, ang sagot natin dito ay -1. Okay, next. Cotangent theta is equal to blank. So, balik ulit tayo. Is it 1 or -1? So, we're looking for the cotangent and tangent function. So, ito yan. Ito sa reciprocal identities, yung pangatlo. Okay. We have cotangent theta is equal to 1 over tangent theta. And if we cross multiply this one, cotangent theta times tangent theta is equal to, di ba, alam naman natin that we have here a denominator of 1. So, 1 times 1, that is 1. So, parehas sila. Here. So, meaning, our missing value is 1. Yan lang siya kadali. Okay, number 5 rather. Tangent square theta minus secant square theta. So, alam may squared ako. Automatically, Doon lang ako sa Pythagorean identities titigin kasi sila lang naman yung square, di ba? So, we're looking for the functions tangent square theta and secant square theta. At ito pa rin yun, yung pangatlo natin ginamit. Ito, the third. We have 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to secant square theta. We need to have this expression. So, dito ako magsisimula. So, tangent square theta, mag-SPE ako ng secant square theta. Kung magsusubtract ako both sides by secant square theta. So, minus secant square theta. So, nawala na yan. Is equal to, kailangan ko, ayan, para sa sila. So, therefore, ito, kailangan kong ilipas sa kabila. So, mag-SPE ulit ako. So, pag nag-SPE ako, minus 1, minus 1. So, magiging mawawala na ito yung 0. So, ang sagot natin dito ay negative 1. Or, yung madalas natin ginagamit, yung sinasabi niyang transpose, kaya ito naging negative kasi we transpose secant square theta to the left, kaya siya naging negative. And, itong 1 naman natin, nilipat natin siya to the right, that's why it becomes negative. So, ganoon lang siya. So, the final answer is negative 1. That's all.